This is a bug. And this is a bug. And that's a bug. Bugs. Bugs. And bugs. In English, a bug is a small insect. There are not many rules about how we use the word bug in English. Some folks even call spiders bugs. I don't tend to do that. Entomologists are much more specific about the use of the word bug, however. They reserve it for insects of the order called hemiptera. These are bugs like cicadas, aphids, and bedbugs. They can be very small or quite large, and they have sucking mouthparts. Besides the sucking mouthparts, none of that really matters to us regular folks. In American English, we usually call an insect that is crawling around a bug, but we tend to have specific names for some insects, especially flying insects like mosquitoes and gnats, or house pests like roaches and ants. And in English in general, we wouldn't tend to call a butterfly a bug, or a dragonfly for that matter. The word bug, however, is used in several other ways. To bug someone. To bug someone means to bother them or annoy them. Stop bugging me. You know, it really bugs me when people cut you off in traffic. This use as an idiom makes sense, as a bug will tend to bother most people, and some bugs like gnats and mosquitoes are quite bothersome. As a noun, an illness caused by bacteria or a virus is often called a bug. We especially use this term in reference to stomach or gastrointestinal ailments. A stomach bug. There's a stomach bug going around. A stomach bug going around means a lot of people are getting a virus that causes gastrointestinal symptoms. In case you don't know, those are symptoms like stomach pain and bloating and nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. My son just got over a bad stomach bug. He was throwing up constantly. A bug can also be a problem with a device such as a computer or phone. A mistake or glitch in any system that may cause it to crash or seize or just not to function properly can be called a bug. Often, software has to be updated several times to work out the bugs. In other words, to eliminate all the problems. A bug can also be a small listening device placed to spy on another person, to hear what they are saying from a remote location. A bug can be hidden on a person or in a place. It's also used as a verb. To place such a listening device in a room is to bug the room, for example. Besides an illness like a stomach bug, you can also get another kind of bug, something more positive. If you develop a strong enthusiasm for something or a great desire to participate in it or to be a part of it, we say you've got the bug. You can also be bitten by the bug. Sean was bitten by the guitar bug. He's been locked in his room practicing for days. Wow, I didn't know how fun this was going to be. See, I told you you'd get the bug.